Hey, YouTube family, Team Random. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Click, 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 click. Anyway, how y'all doing on this? It's a Saturday here. Saturday, March the 8th. Not March. Saturday, May the 18th. And I just took it out. It came packaged like this. Ordered it on Amazon. I'm planning another product review. It's from the same company, the Sanlinky company. That's the company that contacted me to review their products, and they gave me the products. This is some LED lights, LED decorative lights. They're supposed to be stars, but this just looks like some colorful lights on this box. But we'll see if there's the stars on the inside. Is that what I ordered? Yes, little stars. Okay, so the box is deceiving because the box has like Christmas lights or something on it. LED decorative lights, but these are really like LED stars. Look at that, a string of stars. So let's see. Let's see if I like these. These were only $8.99. If they weren't $8.99, I'll put it down to either $8.99 or $7.99. But I'll put that. You'll see it down below the price. Sanlinky company. They contacted me because of my YouTube channel. They're the same company that I did the clock review for, but I just decided to break it up in two videos because it's two different products. So this is, what is it? How does it go? Is it one string or is it multiple? I think, yeah, it's one long string of stars. Let's see, just one long. Is it, how long does it say it is? It is 17 feet. 17 feet, so you can zigzag them, do whatever you want with them. 17 foot long. String of stars, which I'll probably put them in my storeroom to put them on the wall in there, make it look nice and lit up. Once I start filming in there, once I get it together for you all. I know, it's been forever. But look, I got stuff on my walls, you see? I got a picture. I got that from Roses for $29.99 today. And I put it right up on that wall because I've been procrastinating forever. Then I got my burst right there. See my burst, that family's up. Yeah, I told you I had to change my walls so it'll be, can fit a man and a woman since I'm getting married. So yeah, I got that. And the other girly stuff that I bought will go in my shop room on the wall, the ballerina and all that. If you didn't see my redoing my room video or the decorations for my room, yeah, that's in the video. But yeah, those are going in there, my name and the ballerina. But yeah, so let's plug these lights in. Oh, they're battery operated. Oh, so I need 3 AA batteries. I don't know if I have 3 AA batteries. May have to be another clip to this video. Okay, I have the batteries, and they're AAA batteries. 3 AAA batteries. So let's put them on in here, see how this thing gets to working. How these lights get to working. Oh, ho, we have light. The battery thing's kind of loose, so I don't know. I thought they were supposed to be AA's because the thing said AA, but then the instructions say AAA. But the plastic thing had 2A's. This box has 2A's on it, so I don't know if you can use either or once you close this, if they sit still, because these AAA's are kind of moving around. So I don't know. Let me see if I can get this back on here. Okay. Oh gosh, this cheap plastic. Yeah, the plastic box is kind of not sturdy. You got to be careful with that. Oh gosh. The lights are just flickering right now. There we go. There we go. Now let's get this bottom piece popped into place. There we go. Okay, so see, the batteries are loose. So I don't know if it's supposed to be AA. The back of this says AA. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, see, it says 1 AA, 5 volt. But then the instructions say AAA. 3 pieces, AAA type. 3 times AAA type twice on the instructions. Can y'all see these instructions? So I'm going to think it's an issue with the instructions again. Because it works, but look. The battery's moving around, so these lights are flickering. They're very bright. lights if you could get the there. Now if you get the batteries to stay still, look at them. They look even brighter in the camera though, but they're very bright. Let me cut the lights off so y'all can see what it looks like with the lights off. Oh, the lights are off, as you can see, and you still can see me. If I can get them to stay in one place. Wow, very nice lights. It's just a string of them, so we're going to pull them out as much as we can for the video's sake, just so you can see how they look on the strings. Look at that. It lights up and you can see me really good in the video and everything. These are some good little LED lights. These are some, I like them. They're very bright. I mean, look how good y'all can see me, and the lights are off in this room. And just from these LED lights, you can see me that good. It goes from this to, if I can get these batteries to stay in place. That's the only issue. Yeah, the batteries move around way too much. See that? They don't stay in place, but yeah, go from that to this, from dark to boom. So I'm gonna try some AA batteries. I'm gonna have to get some AA, 3 AA batteries, but I'm gonna try AA batteries. Let me get the light back on. Yeah, I suggest I'm going to try AA batteries and then come back and finish this video off just to see if 3 AA batteries work with this, because the size of this case, I think it needs AA, but it's weird that it works with the AAA as well. Are these AAA 5 volt? Maybe that's why, because the voltage is in the battery, but the battery's too small. We're going to find out though, because I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree and get some AA batteries tomorrow and finish this video off. So we'll see tomorrow if they work with AA batteries, because if they do, then that would be perfect and this would be an awesome product. But if they don't work with AA batteries, I don't think it's too good of a product, because these batteries move around. The lights are awesome, but you have to make sure you can get this little case to stay in one place so the batteries don't move around. See, look at that, they just move around. That's not good. So I'm hoping it's AA and not AAA like the instructions said. Okay, I got some batteries. I got a 4-pack. I already opened it just now, but I'm cheap. The dollar batteries, yes, dollar batteries from Roses. But I'm gonna see. Computer making noises. I'm gonna see if these work, because I think it's supposed to be AA and not these AAA. Let me get this open. Take these on out. Put these on in. It's not the easiest thing to close and open, I tell you that. Either I'm doing something wrong. Oh, there we go. You slide it down, push it down, and yeah. So let's see. You saw it works with the AAA, but the AAA batteries move around, so it has to be AA. Instruction said AAA. Case says AA. I think the case is correct. Alright, now let's put this back on here. Slide it into place like so. If I can. It's not the easiest thing to get on and off, like I said. This little case, and you gotta be careful because it'll break. It's cheap plastic. Come on now. What did I do? It didn't break. The bottom's just not closed. There we go. Okay, now let's see if it comes on. It does. We have lights, people. They're still tangled, but I think this is, yeah, as I said earlier in the video, 7 feet long. So these would be nice for any YouTuber to hang on their curtains. I see people hanging LED lights all the time in their backdrops So it'll probably, these will probably be seen in my backdrop eventually when I get in my other room, which is getting cleaned up really good. These will probably be in my backdrop, these little stars. They're really nice and bright. So now we solved the mystery. AA batteries. Don't use AAA batteries. Don't pay attention to the paper instructions. They're wrong. The case says 1 AA in each section. AA batteries. That's what you need. So solve the mystery. I think these are good bargain for $8.99 free shipping on Amazon. So check it out. I'll have the link to these lights in the description box. I hope you like them. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. How I wonder what you are. Woo! Pretty, 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 pretty. So my review is I like them. I love them. They're great. So let me know what y'all think about them when y'all purchase these. $8.99 free shipping on Amazon. Link in the comments. Thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you ain't subscribed. Share, share, share. And comment down below. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Subscribe. See you in the next video.